Hello, Vancouver. It's 15th August 2021, and welcome to another beautiful day in Surrey, British Columbia, where we shall meet an emerging entrepreneurial group of Canadian women by the name Savvy Women. Initially, it started as a discussion forum by a few friends, and now it has progressed to promote business ideas to flourish its members through exhibitions, like the one we will visit today. For my introduction, my name is Qasim Khan. I run a launch pad called We the Vancouver, and I'm going to be your host for today. Coming back to Savvy Women, their venue for today's exhibition is a banquet hall by the name of A Pinch of Spice on Scott Road and 86th Avenue. Let's go inside and get to know more about them.
Hello. Hello.
This is all the lunch, right? Only one Okay, so this is the only one that has eggs. This is all.
सैवी वुमेन जब इसकी नींव रखी गई थी तो यही था एक मोटिव that we will support the women entrepreneurs and there will be a main motto as not only supporting the business but the connection and the association, and that's what we are going to invite everyone to come whenever the Savvy event happens, क्योंकि आपको जो चीज़ यहाँ मिलेगी वो बाजार में नहीं मिलेगी.
All of the Golden Crush cakes, and today we are going to meet an interesting team, an entrepreneurial team, and we are introducing Surjit Zala, who is the founding entrepreneur of Golden Crush. And how are you today, Surjit?
Oh, I'm good. Good.
I would like to basically, I saw the cakes and I tried the cakes, and because I like cakes which are low sugar, and it's very tasty as well. It's low sugar. And how did you make these fascinating? How did you come up with this idea, and what inspires you for this? Please introduce yourself and please introduce your idea.
I'm Surjit Zala and I'm a home baker. And the idea which inspired me was that I wanted something which was delicious, healthy and homemade. So my cakes, it is actually having all healthy ingredients and it is with no cream. I don't use any kind of cream because that is also, I feel it is unhealthy. So that was my idea, and it has to be an everyday cake which people can eat every day. Give the children in their tiffins without any kind of hesitation. So that was the reason for me to go into for these cakes.
Okay, that's very nice to know. And how was the response here today with the Savvy Women's exhibition?
The response was very good.
What did you find different about, were your cakes popular today?
They are very popular because my cakes, one of the cake is having wheat flour with no sugar. The sweetness is with good. It's a date and walnut cake. It doesn't have eggs and there's no butter at all. None of my cakes have butter in it. Then I have another cake called as coconut cake, which is having semolina and coconut made with yogurt. So, and my orange cake is also having fresh orange juice. Blueberry cake is having fresh blueberries. So mostly I want to go in for such kind of cakes which is having fresh fruits. So that's why the response was very good.
Why do you think your cakes are different than the other cakes, and what makes them so special that everybody would like them? Can you tell us in just a few words?
The thing is, my cakes are not overly sweet. The sweetness is just right. That is one of the reasons, and then it is quite crumbly. It is very soft and moist cake. It's not dense. Even if you keep it in the fridge, and if you remove it and eat it also, it's fresh. It is the same crumbly it is.
Well, definitely you're right. They are very tasty cakes. I tried them myself, and I had a few tasters with myself, and they liked it as well. So, can we consider today as your official launch, and how do you plan to move forward?
Yes, this is my official launch today. And moving forward is I'm there on Marketplace, and I have my own website. You can always contact me. My telephone number is there. And for this month, we have kept a special offer, $12 each, and free delivery. So you can order it online.
Okay, so anybody out there can just order you on your marketplace or your website, and your cake can reach them in how much time?
You will have to give me time, at least 2 days you should give me, because it's free delivery, so I have to just make out the schedule for that. But you will get it definitely.
Right. Thank you so much, Surjit Jazala, and it's a very special treat that you have brought to the Savvy Women's exhibition today, and we find your idea very unique, very encouraging. The cakes are very tasty, and I'm going to order them myself as a social media activist, in Surrey, and I wish you all the best for your future, and thank you very much for the call.
Thank you.
सैवी का इवेंट कवर करने आए हुए हैं अपना ऐप के सीईओ निर्मल राणा and his wife. Your good name, please? Neha. Neha is also here. Would you like to tell us, how you found the Golden Crust cakes, and what are your two lines for today's event?
So basically, it's a very good event for the local market and helping out the people who have the small businesses, which we encourage a lot, right? Especially the Golden Crust. So I came to hear that I have never tried the sugar-free cake before, right? Because I was like, sugar is the most important part, but in this, I tried the coconut one and I couldn't feel like if there is a sugar or not. So this is really good cake for the people, even those who are like diabetic or non-diabetic. It will be work for both of them, and they won't even feel the difference between the normal cake and this cake.
Does it taste good?
Oh yes, definitely, right?
Thank you.
So I'm not a person who can have too much of sweet. So I think this cake is the best for the person like me who don't like to eat too much of sweets. And also I'm fond of like Indian sweets, and the cake also give me some touch back from the Indian with the sweet.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, and also today we would like to introduce to you Fairy Tale Cakes. Fairy Tales for Cakes. And we have with us here Priyanka and Simar. Priyanka and Simar, how are you? And it's very nice to be introduced to you. Would you like to tell us about your cakes, how you came up with the idea? Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm Priyanka Soni from India.
Uh-huh.
And we are just imitating some nearby. Yeah. Oh. And just I was here with my two small kids. So most of the time I'm at home. So by that way I look for something to be a self-employed because I can't do the full-time job. So I start baking cakes and everything with the custom cakes. So I start baking and my kids love it. So I offer my friends and family since it started my business. So that is my main story. Yeah.
And so how did you come up with the cakes and
Yeah, but actually I'm pure vegetarian. So here it's so difficult to find the eggless cakes and pastries and everything. So this is the main idea. So I start baking for my kids, my family. So this is the main idea for this. All eggless. I bake it all eggless in the pure vegetarian environment and no preservative and nothing. I make so with olive oil.
Wow, wonderful. So there are no eggs at all in these cakes?
No cakes.
No preservatives.
No gelatin also.
Let's just take a sneak peek at the wonderful cakes.
Yeah, and this is our special Rakhi cakes.
You have a Rakhi cake as well. Wow,
Brothers, sisters, and Rakhi.
very nice. So how was the response today at the Savvy Women's exhibition today?
It's superb response. We never think about this. It's so nice and people love our product. They are special, it's eggless. So they are just ordering for the next functions also.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So what are your plans for the future for this wonderful idea?
Because this is my just new venture. So this gives me the good next Savvy exhibition I will be definitely book my stall on this.
Thank you so much, Priyanka. And Simar, do you want to say anything?
I think we had an incredible experience and hope to see you in the next exhibition. See you soon.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Another interesting stall we have come to. This is Raman. Raman is in this picture. And she owns a salon and spa and she's not available at the moment, or she has her friend and her mother available here who are supporting her business. Please introduce yourselves.
Hi, so I am Raman's friend Dipati and I am also a happy customer in her laser and facial treatment. So she has her salon in Lanti, a wonderful facility for you, a wonderful personality to go and have chit chat while you're having your treatment getting done. She also has these Rakhi displayed at her salon and she just brought this Rakhi because the occasion is coming up for Rakhi. This is her mother and she's gonna give you all the introduction of why the importance of Rakhi and what is the importance of this festival in our community.
Hello.
Hello.
मैं रमन की मदर उसकी मम्मी हूँ मैं और मैं स्पेशल यहाँ पे राखी का इवेंट है इसलिए मैं अपनी राखी लेके आई हूँ राखी की कलेक्शन सो दैट कि सबको राखी का जो त्यौहार है हमारा जो भूल चुका है जो लोग जो भूल गए हैं उसको दोबारा से ताज़ा करने के लिए मैं आई हूँ अपनी लेटेस्ट राखी कलेक्शन लेकर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पांस भी मिला तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं फिर इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहूँगी
Oh, very good, very good. And आप हमें बताएं, can you please tell us more about your different Rakhis?
यस मेरी राखी है बच्चों के लिए मेन ये जो हमारी कलेक्शन है ये बच्चों के लिए है दिस इज ऑल कैरेक्टर्स हैं बच्चों के जो उसमें देखते हैं ये वो वाली राखी है और उसके बाद फिर ये बड़ों की राखियाँ हैं सारी
तो ये सारी जो भाइयों को बांधते हैं जो धागा राखी है जो आप भगवान को चढ़ाते हैं पूजा के समय कुछ स्पेशल डिज़ाइन है जिसमें कृष्ण जी भी बने हुए हैं यू नो वेरियस कलर्स फॉर राखी यू कैन पिक एंड चूज मैनी कलेक्शन जिसमें यू नो तुलसी के धागे हैं रुद्राक्ष के डिज़ाइंस हैं स्पेशल कलेक्शन है। आंटी स्पेशल राखियाँ लेकर आई हैं जो आप ऐसे बैंगल्स में लगाते हैं। इनको आई थिंक भाभी राखी या भाभी राखी लाइक दिस। तो भाई की वाइफ को भी राखी बांधी जाती है एंड दीज आर भाभी राखी फॉर द रिलेशनशिप स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने के लिए।
इंटरेस्टिंग।
भाई के साथ भाभी को भी पकाना पड़ता है।
वेरी नाइस टू। और ये कि इन लोगों ने राखी का जो त्यौहार है उसकी अहमियत को उजागर करते हुए जो ना ये याद दिलाया कि लोग क्या क्या भूल चुके हैं। और बात यह है कि इट्स अ वेरी नाइस एंड व्हाट यू कॉल a traditional inclusion into the Savvy Women's exhibition. And would you like to give a message to your viewers?
हमारे कल्चर का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंस ये है कि हम अपने इवेंट्स को और अपने कल्चरल वैल्यूज़ को साथ में लेकर आए। तो राखी इज़ जस्ट नॉट अबाउट वन रिलीजन बट इट्स ऑल अबाउट आवर कल्चर। तो आप to make your bond stronger for your family, with your brother, with your family. Rakhi is a celebration which you can get together as a family event and enjoy it.
Thank you so much. Okay, so we are moving on to our next entrepreneur who has come up with some wonderful ideas, and let's take a look at what she has and what she has to offer the society as a very good contribution. I see some very innovative ideas. And hello madam.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. How about yourself? Would you like to introduce yourself and your idea?
Yeah, sure. My name is Natasha. I was a doctor back home in India. My specialty was internal medicine and emergency medicine, and I ended up here through marriage. So for doctors, it's quite difficult to get into that medical field. So this is something I started as a hobby because my mother, she's a cosmetologist, and she gave me an idea like, why don't I try something on the side. And because of COVID, I was going through a lot of difficult patch and stuff in life, so I ended up producing this just for friends, like we'll give them as gift and stuff. And some of them told me it's a really nice idea and I make good stuff, and this is all natural. I do not add any preservative. I make everything myself in small batches in Vancouver and Surrey. So yeah, and I'm very compassionate.
So it's all organic?
Yeah, see, so the candles are vegan, first of all, and they're soya wax. People don't really know that if you use paraffin wax, it's toxic to the environment. So this is completely natural and it's safe for kids, pets, and also people who have lung diseases. So they can actually use it, and it doesn't cause migraine, which paraffin wax does. So this is completely vegan and natural. Yes, this is natural, and this is. I try my level best to make everything organic and natural, but there's always something or the other, maybe an ingredient which might be a chemical which we call, like, let's say, a little bit of color, but this is skin safe. So yeah, my whole point is to bring organic and natural things to Indian society, because Caucasians know a lot about these kind of products, but Indians don't.
Okay, so this is for Indians only, or
No, not really.
What is the real? Why would anybody want to buy your products? What makes them special and unique as an idea from your side?
So the point is, as far as what I have seen, a lot of people, especially in Indian society, they go for body wash, they go for body scrub, but they don't know that they are made out of chemicals. If you read behind the labels, there'll be a lot of ingredients starting with sodium, and because I have a medical background, I know exactly what they are and how they're gonna be harmful to you. So my products, I try to keep it as natural as possible, and it's gonna actually be safe for your skin. There are a lot of people who have skin diseases, and even if you say, let's say, companies like Dove and other stuff, they still have chemicals in them. So people don't know that if you use organic stuff, like this is goat milk, it's completely safe. So if somebody has a skin condition, they will actually benefit from this because it also contains essential oils. So I put essential oils in all my products, and that's quite a point that it makes it different from the other companies. And Yeah.
That's wonderful. You know, so
And obviously the packaging and everything, I do everything myself. Like this is not printed by any company or whatsoever. I do it myself.
these are beautiful.
Thank you.
And what other products do you have?
So I have a range of products. I have candles, which I just started. I have steamers, which are like bath bombs, but you don't use them in a tub. You use them in shower, right? Then I make soaps. I make salt scrubs. I make sugar scrubs. I make facial hydration mist. And I also sell clay mask. It's just you mix it with rose water and you can put. It's like 100% pure. So I'm starting slowly, but yeah, my whole point is that I want our society to get out of that zone that they want to only use, oh, we only use bath products, we only use, face wash, body wash. We don't want to use organic soap because it's too much trouble. They don't understand how valuable this is for their skin. If you love your body, you need to be using such kind of products.
You've just given a lot of people a new direction, and
Thank you so
congratulations on your venture.
Thank you so
And this is your good name, please?
My name is Dr. Vipasha Dabas, and my company name is Melted Rose Soaps and Candles. This is my card.
And there's a very nice card
Thank you.
for this company. And
you.
this is Natasha.
Vipasha.
Vipasha.
With the V.
Vipasha
Yeah.
from Melted Rose Company, starting off as a new venture and bringing you these amazing products for a healthy lifestyle made out of organic ingredients.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Take care.
This summer feel के अलग बनाया जिसमें लेमन और मिंट काइंड ऑफ काफी एक्सपेरिमेंट
Jay, thank you so much for giving me this chance. I appreciate it so much.
Okay, so we have another entrepreneur with us, which is Libas for You. Neera Vohra is with us today. And Neera, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Please introduce yourself and what do you have for us today?
I'm Neera Vohra. I'm an entrepreneur. This is my passion that you see here. It's called Libas for You. And I'm from Delhi, and my collection is all from Delhi and Bombay as well. They're all custom-made pieces. You will not find these in store. They are specially made by a boutique in Delhi and some from Bombay as well. So what I do is, when I came here 17 years ago from Delhi, I found a huge gap in the options that were available in Vancouver and Surrey. And what that was, that there was a lot of traditional ethnic wear available, but there was not much fusion. And fusion, what I mean is a combination of traditional that is also versatile, can be worn, doesn't matter what part of the day you're wearing. You can wear it to work, you can wear it to an event, a wedding, and it's about mix and matching pieces. It's about making your pieces last longer. It's not just about one outfit for one event, that you could wear a top with a separate bottom and make more than one use out of it, and you can wear the bottom with a different top and make more than one use out of it. So all these pieces, I promise you, will sit in your closet for years to come because you will wear them more and more. So let me show you my collection. So something like this, you will see it's called an Indo-Western, which is just a skirt, and it gives you kind of like an ethnic feel. But you can combine that with a crop top of your choice. You can wear that with a bodysuit of your choice, and you can wear it to a wedding, a white wedding, or you can even wear it to a pre-Indian wedding event.
Very good.
Yeah, something like this is just a tunic. You can wear it over jeans. You can wear it over a garara like I'm wearing right now. Or you can just wear it as a dress with a belt. And you can wear more than once. And I also do have some ethnic pieces, but again, this is without a dupatta. So it's a two-piece Indian wear, but you don't have to combine it with the dupatta because dupatta becomes a little cumbersome, it's hard to manage. So you can pull this out without a dupatta. And these are all custom made again. These are not store-bought. So yeah, so just examples of these. There's heavy wear as well. This comes with a full set. It is made as a full set, but you can separate the pieces.
Very nice. And this entrepreneur Neera Vora has a special today, which is 50% off everything, and which is a great contribution to the society. Neera, we truly appreciate your endeavor, and we hope we hear from you from the newspapers and a lot of the bigger media, because people really need to know about your clothing. So what are your future plans for your clothing line?
COVID has definitely put a dent into the plans. I'm just hoping that COVID is over and we are back to some sort of normal. And the plan is to keep doing events like these, but not really staying in Surrey. We would like to plan to expand in Vancouver, North Vancouver, go to other sectors where we definitely know there is demand. And what we also do is we do like an event like this that you see, where we bring other people together. We also promote other entrepreneurs, ones that are being maybe new to the country, need a little bit more guidance around what is in demand, how can they put out an event. So that's the second part of having an event like this. So we hope to do more of these, and we hope to see more people coming and supporting us.
Definitely. We look forward to seeing you in more events, Neera Vora, and it was so nice of yourself to introduce your products to us and to yourself. And it's very nice. Please keep up the good work, and thank you for this review today. And it's a good addition. What we're already doing today is promoting to a wider audience. And we look forward to seeing you again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kasim. Appreciate your time.
And viewers, we also have two bestie entrepreneurs. Standing with me on the left is Narinder, and on the right is Navneet. Navneet and Narinder, how are you today?
Yeah, we are fine. Great feeling. I'm Narinder and she is Navneet, my sister. And our passion is jewelry, but I'm working full-time in childcare.
Very nice. And yourself, Navneet, please?
Okay, by profession I'm a realtor, but this is my passion, what I wanted to do. And so we just want to promote our jewelry, which is kind of very classy and innovative. And these are all done in Delhi, Jaipur and Mumbai.
You said these are made in Delhi, Jaipur and Mumbai.
Yeah.
What makes them very unique for the market that you are in?
Okay, so just to give you an idea, here, these collections now here, these are all 92.5 sterling silver, solitaire earrings and everything, which are actually in Canada you won't find it anywhere. Top quality, 92.5 sterling silver.
Oh my God.
And these are all handmade. So anybody who wants to give a specific design, we customize also that. But that's all order is done from Delhi. We have our karigar there in Delhi who does that with all the design. So even if you're looking at any kind of a diamond danglers or something like these kind, these are all semi-precious and they can be all done in 92.5 sterling silver with rhodium polishing on it.
Wow.
So these are unique, you will not find it anywhere.
And what kind of pricing should people look forward to
we have
from the market of its original idea?
So we have price starting from the range of $20 can go up to $300 depending on the quality and the stones used in it.
But the prices are really less from the market.
Yeah, since we don't have any shop or something, we don't have that overhead expense or something, so it's much better than a shop.
That's a wonderful offer that you're giving on the Women's Savvy Day, and I think a lot of viewers would get to know about your line of products, in which I am truly amazed to know that you are customizing the products for the market here today, and which makes it very unique. And what are your successes so far? So how did you, both of you, come up with this idea, and what are your successes so far?
Okay, so I was doing that in India also. So I moved here 7 years back. So in India, I was doing as a hobby. So I was doing exhibition in hotels and everything. That's how I started. That's when I started. She was not doing it. She moved, when I moved here, after 1 year she came here, and then we decided, okay, we both were looking for some opportunity. And I said, since I have experience in this jewelry. So why not you join? So she's my cousin sister, so we both joined together, and we said it would be a great help here. Since you cannot find labor here easily, so it's always better two people together doing things. And these are so small things, you know, if you have to pack them and everything, it takes about 1 or 2 hours to unpack, and then, you know, put the stuff or something. So yeah, that's how we started, and now we want to grow more.
So how is the response today on the Women's Savvy Day?
Today, excellent response. I think all other women, like our Savvy group members and our friends and group, they all supported and they came here and they bought some, at every stall they bought something.
They bought something.
That's very nice to know. So what are your next steps that you plan in the future?
Okay, so next step, I think we are going to plan a big Karwa Chauth and Diwali exhibition. So that's our next step. So that's going to be a little bigger, more vendors there, and probably like we are thinking around 20 to 30 vendors, and in a big hall or something.
That's very nice.
So that's what our plans are. So this event was successful, so we are thinking now we should, because we had a lot of calls coming from the vendors that they want to put up a stall here. So since we were limited with the space and we didn't know this is the first exhibition after the COVID, so we don't know how it will go, but we had an excellent response. So next exhibition will be huge.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have two wonderful entrepreneurs with us today, and if you're missing out on the jewelry, that the kind of jewelry they have, the customized jewelry that they can make, which is only made in the traditional India, in Delhi, Rajasthan. So these are the people you can reach to. This is Narendra and Navneet. Both of you, if you would like to give a message to your audience.
So if you are looking for elegant, beautiful, exclusive jewelry, so come to the Shimmer Jewels.
That's very nice.
I think this is, so I'll give my phone number so that anybody can contact me, 778-953-0135. For any of your needs regarding jewelry, please do contact us.
And this is Shimmer Jewels. Thank you very much today for your time. And it's a pleasure to meet.
Thank you so much.
I said, I don't know.
ये तो है ही sales, you know, like लोगों को समझ.
It's like you are doing your homework, right? That kind of feel. मुझे घर चलाने में मुझे ऐसा लग करना.
एक छोटा सा व्यू जो ना जूलरी का.
हमारे सेगमेंट जिसमें मैंने आपको बताया मिसेज वर्ल्ड कनाडा और ये वो हमारे पास ये जिन्होंने पहले मिसेज कनाडा विन किया, कनाडा इंडिया, देन इंडिया में गई कंपटीशन में, देन मिसेज कनाडा वर्ल्ड वाइड इन्होंने विन किया.
अच्छा, ये भी आपके ग्रुप की मेंबर?
हाँ, सेवी वुमेन ग्रुप की मेंबर. तो गुड थिंग, राइट? योगा कंस्ट्रक्टर भी हैं और मोटिवेशन स्पीच भी करती हैं. अच्छा.
वेरी नाइस.
You're looking for jewelry? हाँ, बिल्कुल.
हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं मिस कनाडा, मिस इंडिया कनाडा, गोल्डन क्रॉस के स्टॉल पे मौजूद हैं, और हम इनसे आज रिव्यू लेंगे कि इनको सुरजीत कौर, जो कि हमारे एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं फ्रॉम सरी, इनका केक कैसा लगा.
मैं यहाँ इनको तो बहुत टाइम से जानती हूँ, और इनका ये नया वेंचर जब मैंने देखा तो मुझे पहले तो बहुत खुशी महसूस हुई, और फिर बादस्तूर ये खाया. इट इज़ सो गुड, सो हेल्दी, बिकॉज द मोमेंट इट्स सो सॉफ्ट. So I can say it's freshly made with love.
Sujit Kaur, would you like her to taste some? Yes, thank you so much.
का है ये बिजनेस. शी हैड हम फर्स्ट टाइम आए, लेकिन हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा. अमेजिंग. यस
सर, ये रिकॉर्ड कीजिए. ये तो कैंडल
फर्स्ट टाइम आए. वी एंजॉय दिस प्लेस. एंड
आपने पहली दफ़ा यहाँ किया, प्लीज बताइए.
हाँ जी, पहली दफ़ा किया है.
अच्छा.
लेकिन मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा, बिकॉज सब दिल्ली के हैं, तो बड़ा मन खुश हुआ.
दिल्ली की है.
मैं भी दिल्ली से हूँ, तो सो दैट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
सबसे बड़ी बात है, ये लोग बहुत दिल से अपने प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं, और ये प्रोडक्ट्स वहीं पहुंचने चाहिए जितनी प्योरिटी के साथ आपको बनाना है. दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. These kind of, because they are fresh made.
Yeah, they are fresh made, and they are.
May all the like people who are fond of good things in life, they should always try the